वेस्टइंडीज के खिलाफ मिली जीत को संक्रामक बताते हुए भारतीय टेस्ट कप्तान विराट कोहली ने कहा कि ये एक अच्छी आदत है और दुनिया में कहीं भी मजबूत प्रदर्शन के लिए भारतीय टीम को इसे बरकरार रखना होगा। पहले टेस्ट मैच में भारत ने वेस्टइंडीज को 4 दिनों के भीतर ही एक पारी और 92 रनों से हराया। कोहली ने जीत के बाद कहा, हम जीत की आदत डालना चाहते हैं, ये अच्छी आदत है, जीतना संक्रामक है। इसके अलावा कोहली ने कहा कि अगर हम टेस्ट मैच जीतना सीख गए तो हम हर जगह जीतना भी सीख जाएंगे। हम ये भी सीख जाएंगे कि अलग अलग हालात में कैसे खेला जाता है। उन्होंने कहा, हम लगातार अच्छा प्रदर्शन करना चाहते हैं। हम विरोधी टीम का मुंह ताकने की बजाय लक्ष्य तय कर उन पर अमल करना चाहते हैं। बतौर कप्तान मेरे और पूरी टीम के लिए भी यही अच्छा है। सभी समझते हैं कि मैदान पर कैसे बल्लेबाजी करनी है या गेंदबाजी करनी है। हमें टीम की जरूरतों के अनुरूप प्रदर्शन करना है और ये सबसे अहम है। उन्होंने गेंदबाजों की तारीफ करते हुए कहा कि गेंदबाजों ने भी बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन किया। पहली पारी सही समय पर खत्म हुई और टीम को 13वें और 14वें ओवर गेंदबाजी करने को मिली। कप्तान विराट कोहली ने स्पिनरों की जमकर तारीफ की। उन्होंने कहा कि स्पिनरों ने दूसरी पारी में एक्स्ट्रा वर्कलोड उठाया, क्योंकि पहली पारी में उमेश यादव और मोहम्मद शमी ने ज्यादा ओवर फेंके थे।
I mean, if you look at it logically, I mean that's probably the perfect finish which every team looks for. You know, the seamers usually dominate the first innings. When you're playing away from home, the wicket tires out on day 4, day 3, day 5. That's when the spinners come into play. In the first innings, spinners are taking those couple of breakthrough wickets. In the second innings, fast bowlers are doing that for you, and then spinners open it up again. So I think it was wonderful partnership bowling by all the bowlers in 2 innings and batsmen as well. We've spoken about one thing that, you know, we should believe that we have enough skill and ability to declare innings more often than not, rather than, you know, struggling to get to 350 with our lower order. So that's the kind of mindset we need to play with. And, you know, starting off with 5 batsmen in the series, obviously you need to take more responsibility. And I think we are all good enough to do that. As I said before, we're not at a stage now that, you know, this is a sort of an area that we need to come and improve our cricket. We should be ready enough in international cricket to start dominating test matches and winning those crucial situations and sessions. That's how we become a better team. If we think that we want to keep learning every series, keep learning every game, then, you know, we will never get that hunger and that mindset to actually win games of cricket from difficult situations. So I think we need to challenge ourselves a little bit, which this team has been willing to do, which is a wonderful sign. And yeah, I mean, the way we finished the test, obviously it all planned out pretty nicely for us. Well, yes, I mean, in the first innings, 4 wickets to Shami, 4 to Umesh, but I think the way Ishant bowled and Mishit picking up those 2 wickets in the end also play an important role. Otherwise, you have to bowl the guys who have done bulk of the bowling. You have to tire them out more for those 2 wickets. So there, the guy who takes those important wickets in the end, finishes off the game, you know, he helps the other bowlers stay fresh. Someone like Ishant, he maintained the pressure. The run rate did not go up more than 2 runs and over in the first innings as well. So I think all those things count massively in the course of the game. Well, I think this again, you know, couple of areas that we can improve on with the bat especially is, you know, not losing wickets close to the breaks. I think we did that 3 times. Pujara was one, Shikhar was the other just before tea, and myself just after lunch on day 2. So, see, these are the things which, obviously, if you have enough runs on the board and you've scored quickly, you tend to ignore these things. But I have it in my mind pretty strongly, because every team will want to, you know, challenge you, will want to dry those runs out. So you have to capitalize those important moments so the team can lose that momentum, and then you can start scoring again. Which, you know, we have lost wickets in those moments previously. That is one area which I still think we need to tighten up a little bit more if we want to completely be in control of all the sessions that we play. We've done really well in this game, but yeah, that's one area that we've addressed before, and we certainly want to improve on it going forward.
टीम इंडिया को मिली इस जीत के साथ ही नए कोच अनिल कुंबले ने भी जीत के साथ आगाज किया और कोहली ने कुंबले के साथ इस नए अध्याय के आगाज पर खुशी जताई। उन्होंने सभी को बधाई दी और जीत में योगदान देने वालों का खास जिक्र किया। उनके लिए ये अच्छी शुरुआत है।